we're doing an unboxing. Here is my new pair of heels from my husband. So let's do a unboxing of these beautiful heels. Okay, these are Louboutin, and my husband got these for me in Las Vegas. Now, I was with him, our family was actually on a family trip, and he had a bee in his bonnet to get me a pair of heels, and we tried on the pair that he had in mind, and they didn't look quite as cute as these, but I thought I would. They reboxed everything even though I tried them on, and gotta love the packaging and how they do their presentation here. So even on the back of their little card, red soles. Okay, so I'm gonna open these beauties. What do you think they are? Which style? Actually, ooh, this is even more perfect. The name. Okay, so always with the beautiful sleeve. Okay. What do you think? I think these mules are so adorable. When I tried them on in the store, I tried the other pair on first, and they were cute, but they just weren't going to coordinate with a lot of things. And I had my eye on these, and so the sales lady went to get these. And when I put these on, everybody goes, "Oh yeah, those are the ones." Okay, so these are a 37. I am a 6.5 US, and these are made in Italy. That's a 37. And I've had questions about sizing before, but this is the size that usually works for me, sometimes 37.5. The the style, I'm not gonna necessarily, I guess I'm not gonna get that right, but it says Mi Dolly Zeppa. Anyway, if you have watched any of my Dolly videos and how I love Dolly, that seems even more perfect, Mi Dolly. Okay, so let's try these on. And here we go. I'll give you a different angle here. I love them, and I have to say they are comfortable, so I'll be able to wear these with a lot of things. But I'm going to do a whole video shoe review with these, but I wanted to do an unboxing, so thanks for joining me.